Trying Jamaican food, bro, for the second time, because the first time everyone wasn't very happy with me because I said, oh, they told me it wasn't jerk chicken what I bought. I bought bear shit, bro. Okay, we got lamb patty. Never had one of them before. We got jerk wings. I had the full experience, yeah, because I was like, can I have mac and cheese? Not any, none left. Oh, can I have fried dumpling? None left, none left, none left. She kept saying none left. I'm like, fucking hell, what's that? We've got some jerk chicken. We've got, fucking, I don't know what I've got here. Oh, some sauce, some coleslaw, and we got brown stew. Brown stew. I always hear my barber talking about brown stew. Don't know what's in it. It says it's salt, sweetie, and something else. I mean, it doesn't look like it's for me. It looks a bit oily. Looks bare oily, bro. You know what I'm saying? But I'm going to give it a go. I'm open-minded, fam. And then we've got some fried plantain or plantain. I don't know how you say it. I wasn't a fan of this last time. Again, I can't lie. It looks fucking horrible, bro. But I'm here to open my mind up. And unfortunately,